What's up, YouTube? So we're back to the 180SX. We got the tank back like last week or something, and it's here collecting some dust. But it's been fully redone. They got rid of the rust and coated it and all that good stuff. It's been painted and cleared. The underside looks a lot better than the top, obviously, but it's ready to go in the car finally. So we got some updates. Me and Jordan put this in today. Kind of just like perfect. We got the good old laptop. You know, when you're like doing shit over here.
Show them all that too.
Oh, I don't know if we went over that, but we got like our engine building station. It's not quite done. We're just doing some tear downs. So, but once it's fully ready, we can start doing some build ups, because that's not acceptable for doing build up the motors. We'd actually ideally want to build another room, a clean room. We'll eventually find space for that soon, I'm assuming. Hopefully, maybe get that. We'll get another shop, bigger shop, connected shop, or get another shop in the fucking thing. Yeah. But I got head gaskets to do on Jamie's car. We're supposed to do those last week, but again, we were a little behind. Obviously, lights and all the lifts, and yeah, it takes time. But we got a bunch done this week. We got a BMW done, valve cover.
Down.
Got the Evo done out there. They needed a throwout bearing and slave. The 03 WRX and an EJ206 swap. We had one that was parked out there that already got picked up. It was an EJ206 head gasket replacement. And that's all in a week's time. That was Monday through, what's today, Thursday? Yep. We got Friday. So hopefully, fuck Saturday, that thing will be back to its owner. Wanted to drop that off tomorrow, but probably just get the tank up in there today. And we got some other things we need to go through, but let's get on to a tank installation. So you can put the tank up in there. It's got two straps. After the straps are up and tight, we can install this little stupid plastic shield just to keep road debris and rocks, protect the tank from getting dents, fractures. Alright, two straps are in and tight. Now we can put on that protective plastic plate on front of the gas tank to protect it from rocks and road debris. Now we can install our plastic guard with the 310s that we removed to get it off the tank. Boom. Done. Just getting ready to drop the fuel pump back down into 180. Tighten up all the 8mm on the surrounding sides, then we can install our fuel lines. Cover's all wired up, so done with that one.